the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know. Namhlanje nimpethele Pro Child, you understand? Make usando dropper music video of ingoma entswimbo ethi Asiphakamanga featuring Holy to the motherfucking Alpha. Holy Alpha, you understand? Ingoma has been out for a minute, you understand? And then they did a remix of the song. And of this song, and this song has been on my playlist, dog, like for the longest time, you understand? Because I've fucked with this song. So benze a remix of that song, and then they shot a music video. Yeah, but and I feel like the artist is Ninzi Ziega a track is slide, you understand? Or it fade because they don't shoot a music video. Can the music video maybe could have revived the song, and then it was born so somewhere you understand? It's 2025. You understand? Music videos speaks a lot. You understand? So I'm happy that they shot this music video. Shout out to Holy Alpha for hopping on this joint. You understand? And shout out to the whole production team, because oh man, what you're about to see is crazy. Alright, without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Asiphakamanga remix.
You know what it is.
Nganywa le ngoma chong. Sing them benzi music video yo. Hayi chong.
Wesibas phakamanga. Wesibas delelanga. Okubasa ngamanga. Bathi siyabaharasa. Yo basa ngalanda phekasi. Yo wesibas phakamanga. Wesibas delelanga. Okubasa ngamanga. Bathi siyabaharasa. Yo basa ngalanda phekasi. Yo wesibas phakamanga.
Yacho ne. Umuntu ofuna le ngoma sayifaka ku description apha ezantsi. Nomuntu ofuna le music video without watching me react to this, sayifaka i-description, sayifaka ku description apha ezantsi. So uzibukelele wedwa, uzimamelele wedwa.
Manga. Oyisibazidelelanga. Okubasa ngamanga. Bathi siyabaharasa. Yo basa ngalanda phekasi. Yo ayaphekasi. Yo ayaphekasi. Yo ayaphekasi.
Crazy.
Yo ayaphekasi. Bawulazi uthanda uphuma kwephi nikasi. Bawuyazi inzondo uphuma kwephi nikasi.
Suka apha nathi.
Bawazi umkhosi uphuma kwephi nikasi. Ingase onqhwaba ubundifani wena. Ngase mbamba ichweba onqhwaba uqhiba ndikubethe. This is real isoskiti. Mala yinchisi xa ikhona nditsweba ithinti. Subona unquma phakathi sesibani bathi ikiti. Sumana undibuza ndizingena ipolitics ndikubonile uphethe inkinti. Hey asikathinti asipreach. Mina ngibhala ingoma saphi beats sithe ngoba siyakutyisa sakho isijimbo.
Bafethu, ladies and gentlemen, the video is crazy so far. So we is focusing on the music video because ingoma has been out for like a short period of time, but they remixing Chayona. But Spugeli music video because it's open like 3 days ago. So I so far what I'm seeing, dog, like a direction. Kola landa work with in sang like a second, and the camera move and make it like and la scene. But pesque toilet is it toilet is and kosho, and then beko Black Lives Matter. Call up both Black Lives Matter la scene like mjito petimbo and ngatika toy and stuff like fuck man, this is like whoever came with that idea to. In fact, shout out to the whole team, dog.
Yo wesibas phakamanga. Wesibas delelanga. Okubasa ngamanga. Bathi siyabaharasa. Yo basa ngalanda phekasi. Yo wesibas phakamanga. Wesibas delelanga. basa ngamanga bathi siyabaharasa basa ngalanda phekasi wesibasi phakamanga wesibasi delelanga basa ngamanga
nginecalela ngengoma yazwana nguBlack Coffee ke mnake
bathi siyabaharasa basa ngalanda phekasi ayaphekasi ayaphekasi
ya bamncanyo afuphuma kwephi nikazi ba awunanderi afufilwa phekasi basasishimbu phuma kwephi nikazi and nayazi ba I'm getting bigger than your forehead ungababusa bongo khade uzothini kwinsimbi kodwa uslender buva nje indlebe bakuthanda ngamijezi ide itobeke sapho le market ibhodlu kusibone yami indebe futhi isapha ya biza umama.
But I'm telling you, Holy Alpha Dog, the energy, like the pen game delivery, everything is on point, dog.
Khona nimbali ngazukhaza nzambungoza usenza ngono ngami kodwa bendimncancisa japhikisa lentetho ithuzala kuzolula hey wash just phakamanga disange kaka ngeba bathi sabaharasa yo vele ndaxakwa baphathwa ngamakhala phekasi
wesibasi phakamanga wesibasi delelanga basa ngamanga bathi siyabaharasa basa ngalanda phekasi wesibasi phakamanga wesibasi delelanga basa ngamanga bathi siyabaharasa basa ngalanda phekasi ayaphekasi ayaphekasi ayaphekasi.
Nah, big ups, dog, big ups, then. And Kobando and Babonayo, but shout out to Khosi, shout out to Meili, shout out to everyone who came through, man. Like, damn, it's magical, man. It's magical. Anyway, I love the fact that Umjida took an opportunity, but I should tell you music video because this is like a banger. You understand? Even if I'm not hip hop, but so we are cap. You understand? You capping dog. You understand? So shout out to Pro Child, man. Shout out to Holy Alpha for taking time to give the young and like a feature, because Pro Child like is one of them niggas that's on my top 10 currently, you understand? And Holy Alpha as well, as like she's on my top 10. She's been on my top 10, you understand? So I love the fact that they met and they put in some work together and they took time even to shoot a music video, yeah. Because the artists, as I Cape Town, don't shoot a music video that much, you understand? And in music videos is the end thing, Goku. You're going to be noticeable go TikTok, na go Instagram, you understand? Na go YouTube. Abantu baskautwa iskakhulu give visuals, you understand, as trender and all that stuff. So I hope lengoma sakwazi usharisha le video iye up it's supposed to be. But if now when I plug to put the boy on, share the link, dog, to your platform, you understand? This is it, you understand? The quality is there, the music is there, you understand? People came through to show love, you understand? So let's share, man, you understand? Let's share. But I would love to hear about things unknown when I video. You understand? I give it thumbs up. I would love to hear from your side. Your opinion, your comment up below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Fucking cool.